Solids. So solids are substances with densely packed particles. And those particles could be ions, atoms, or molecules. They're also substances that have definite shapes and volumes because these particles are so densely packed they can't move around each other and they don't change location. See, most are crystalline structures, meaning that the particles are arranged in regular geometric patterns. So a crystalline structure would look like this, where the atoms are all in a nice orderly arrangement. Perfectly formed crystals are rare because crowding prevents the growth of perfect crystals. So you have a lot of different crystals trying to grow in one space. They tend to crowd each other and you don't get perfect crystals. So what this results in is a polycrystalline structure like this here. So you have this polycrystalline structure where you have one group here that's orderly arranged, another group here that's orderly arranged, and another group here. Now, these could be crystals of different minerals, like our example with our granite down here. You'd have quartz crystals in here, or small crystals of quartz. You could have small crystals of biotite mica. You could also have crystals of pink feldspar, which those are two other minerals. And all of those together, they kind of grow together in these sort of in this polycrystalline structure. We have all these different crystals growing together. And you have this sort of speckled appearance because of that. Now, glass. Glass is a solid that consists of densely packed atoms arranged randomly. So there are no crystals in glass. So it's not a nice crystalline structure. It's not polycrystalline. It's actually what we call amorphous. Okay, so glass has an amorphous structure. The atoms are not arranged in any particular order. Now, glasses form when molten materials cool rapidly. So there's no time for crystals to form. So we talk about glass, like window glass and things like that. That is a type of glass. The materials cool quickly enough that that crystals can't form. Same thing with something like obsidian. This is volcanic glass, and this occurs when magma or lava is cooled quickly enough that crystals can't form. So you end up with volcanic glass. Window glass, it's mostly disordered silicon and oxygen. So it's silicon dioxide, which happens to be the same elements that make up sand. So Minecraft kind of got this right in that you take sand and you melt it and you can make glass. Now, some glass is more complex than that. There's a whole bunch of different types of glass, but the most basic formula for glass is sand, so silicon dioxide.